Okay, number 12. I'm going to leave the problem right here, but I'm going to do the work on the extra sheet of paper. A print company will print business cards for 10 cents each, plus a setup charge for $12. An easy way to do this is to use the formula GX plus S. This will easily help you change a word problem to an equation. G is your growing number, which is going to turn into our slope, and S is your starting number, which actually turns into the y-intercept. Okay, so if you read this right here, which one's your growing number and which one's your starting number? You're going to pay 10 cents every time, so that's our growing number, and you only pay the 12 one time, don't you? That's our starting number. Keep reading. Another print company offers business cards for 12 cents each. That's our growing number, plus a setup charge of $10. That's our starting number. Now then, we're going to use this and this to make our GX plus S. So down here, I'm going to put GX plus S equals GX plus S. The growing number in this one's 10 cents, so I'm going to replace that G with 10 cents, plus the starting number's 12. And we want to know when the business cards will be the same from each printer. Okay, so we're going to set each one equal to each other. That's why I put them equal. So we're going to have equal. The growing number here is 12 cents, plus the starting charge is 10. Notice on this one, it's cheaper to start off, but it costs more per card, right? So eventually, this one is going to be cheaper in it because you're paying less per card, but you start off with more money. Now then, I have decimals in these, don't I? I don't like decimals. So what I'm going to do is get rid of them. I need to move the decimal 2 times, don't I? If I have to move the decimal twice, I need to multiply by 100. So I'm going to put 100 on top of every term. That's going to get rid of all my decimals. Now then, move this decimal twice because I'm multiplying by 100. The point 10 is going to change into 10 in it. Plus 12 times 100 is 1200 equals, if you move the decimal twice, you get 12x, plus a 10 with 2 more zeros is 1,000. Now then, I don't have any decimals, just regular numbers. The problem's a lot easier. The 10x is smaller, so I'm going to move the 10x to the right. And I'm going to do this all in one step. If the 10x goes to the right, the 1,000 is going to go to the left. So I'm going to subtract 1,000. And I'm going to get 200 equals 2x. And then you divide by 2. So x is going to end up being what? 100 cards. So at 100 cards, these prices will be the same. At 100 cards, the prices will be the same.